Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials: your router SSID, admin password, and whether you'll use 4 GHz or 5 GHz because range and speed differ. Next, you place the extender roughly halfway into the weak area so it receives a reliable signal. That matters more than distance alone. Power the extender and wait for steady LEDs. Once the device indicates setup mode, choose WPS on the router or open the extender's web setup to move to the next step. Now you connect the extender to your router. If both devices support WPS, press the router's WPS button, then the extender's button within the 2-minute window and watch for confirmation LEDs. This is fastest. If not, open the extender's IP in a browser, log in with the default credentials, select your router SSID, and enter its password. Make sure you pick the appropriate band and optionally set a distinct extender SSID so you can identify it. Apply settings and let the device reboot. Verify the extender reports a solid connection. Finish by moving the extender to its permanent spot and testing coverage on several devices so you confirm consistent performance across the dead zone. Run a quick speed test to ensure upload and download meet your expectations, and test latency-sensitive apps like video calls or gaming. If you encounter problems, restart both router and extender first, then shift the extender 1 to 2 meters toward the router or the dead zone. If that fails, reset the extender to factory and repeat setup, as corrupted configs are a common cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.